Hello friend, let me introduce myself. My name is Tafis and my friend Wahyu Tripanggas. Here we will present the result of an independent mechanical design project 2. So the pattern to the tool we designed was a large amount of plastic waste that was scattered around and difficult to manage, which led to the idea of making a plastic shredder. The following is a description of the portable plastic crusher. Portable plastic crusher can be used anywhere, and the advantage of this portable plastic crusher is that easy to use and be used anywhere.
The method we use is the PDI 2221 method. So we approach the community and agree to manage we from the waste bank to we use accessory. And the following is a list of customer requests. And this the basic product price of the tools we design.
A plastic chopping machine is a tool used to convert large plastic into small pieces. This tool is driven using an electric motor engine. This tool uses a chopping blade which is used to chop plastic into small pieces.
The is three-dimension model of our tool. And is two-dimension model of after tool.
For our presentation, thank you for your attention.